Sprinkle this powder on your mattress, and it will feel fresh again. Mattresses are a hotspot for dust mites and dead skin cells, making regular cleaning essential. Start by removing the bedding and sheets. Sprinkle the surface of your mattress with this white powder. It's a simple yet effective way to remove bacteria, dust mites, and unpleasant odors. I'll reveal the product in a moment. You probably already have it at home. Rub the powder into the mattress fabric using your hands, focusing on areas with yellow stains. Let the product sit for at least an hour. During this time, it absorbs moisture, oils, and other dirt. After an hour, vacuum the mattress thoroughly to remove all residue. Your mattress will look like new, fresh, clean, and odor-free. The secret ingredient? Baking soda. This natural powder gently removes dirt, neutralizes bacteria and dust mites, and absorbs moisture and odors. It's an easy, eco-friendly method that saves you money on expensive cleaning products or professional services.